Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have the earbuds of JBL C100TWS. So these earbuds are for sale. If you have any problematic earbuds like left side is not working, right side is not working, or both sides are not working, you can buy these pairs. Charging case is not there. You can buy these earbuds. Even if you want to buy one side left side, or even if you want to buy the right side, or if you want to buy both sides, it is for sale. So these are 100% working, and 100 out of 100 battery backup will be there. So need not worry, you can directly buy these through this WhatsApp number. You can do message on this WhatsApp number, I can reply you. So these are the earbuds. You can see, just showing you in the close up, these are JBL C100TWS, T100TWS, C100-105TWS are there. Everything is similar. You can even pair, if your right bud is working fine, then you can buy the left one and you can pair this with your left one. I can show you how to pair this. So the technique is just you have to press this 5 times. Both here white light will blink for 2 times. After that you can put this in the case, charging case. Then if you take these, both will be paired together. Now just to pair, I am going to take this left side and this one is the right side. So I am just going to turn this on. You can see this is light is this side. So I am just pressing it. So you can see this will not pair here. So I am going to press this for 5 times continuously so that it will pair together. So confirmation is 2 times white light will blink in both sides. Now what I am going to do is, like, I have to press these buttons 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see white light is blinking 2 times. That means this is done. After putting in the charging case, or else if you just turn on like this, both will pair with each other. Then it will come in the Bluetooth page. You can see now both. So you can see now this both is paired. Blue light is blinking. Then it will start in this pairing mode. This is the right one. You can see this is the right one. R is written here. So this is now in the pairing mode. So this will be listed in your Bluetooth page. This is already paired. That is the reason here it is not blinking white and blue. So like this you can pair together. So if you have any problematic earbuds like left side battery draining issue is there, right side battery draining issue is there, or both sides battery is drained, or both are completely dead, in that case you can buy these earbuds. I have so many here for sale. So if you want to buy these, please do message on this WhatsApp number. So the model is C100TWS, T100TWS, C105TWS. All the models it will pair each other. So you can buy these. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel. Please go through it. If you like, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.